Hi guys, it's Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. Today we're going to talk about copyright and rights about music in a video. So when you're watching a video that contains music, there may be a selection in the video's description called Music in this Video. The section shows information about the music heard in the video, like song and artist name. And YouTube automatically adds this information to some videos when they're claimed by one of YouTube's copyright management tools, like Content ID. And this information, you can watch this video here called Why Some Videos Include Songs. This is all going to be linked in the description box below. If you want to know more about some of this, so why is some information missing from music in this video? So information in the music in this video section only appears when there's accurate, high quality data available. We're continually working with our music industry partners to add more data and to improve the quality and the accuracy of the information we have. For videos that contain many songs, information about the first 10 songs will appear under Music in this video. So what if my song is listed but the data is wrong? So if you're a recording artist or a songwriter and your song has been identified with incorrect or incomplete information, you can send feedback using the feedback form to help us improve our data quality and to make sure you and the songs are registered with the ISNI authority. Registering can help us to confirm that we have the best data to represent you and your music. And also, what if you hear your song, but you don't see this in the music in the data information? It may not appear for a few reasons. Maybe YouTube does not have sufficient data from the copyright owner. Your music hasn't been identified yet. The video was recently claimed and the information hasn't populated yet. So this is just some information from the copyright and rights management, and this is about music in this video. So if you would like to watch this, it's going to be linked in the description box above. I am Marlene. I am one of the Information Girls. And if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. And as you and I say on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pop that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up.